Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Theresa here, and I'm working today on day 11 for 2022 October Daily. And so today I wanted to work with this little letterboard inspired page that I did for foundation pages for the Traci Reed Creative Team. And this is using the October Mood digital collection. So that helped me have a decision made already for what product to use. Makes it very easy. And so then all I had to do was print my photo, print some additional little things to go with it, and pull together the left-hand side of this layout. And so what I think I'm going to do is, I was sort of going off the frame here. This is, if I'm remembering correctly, when I created this originally, this is one of the black solid patterns in the kit. And then this is the black wood grain that's in the kit. And they're a little bit different. So I may go back and reprint that. Depends on how much time I have today, because, you know, time is short. But that's fine. It may be the paper, it may be printed on a different paper. I'm not sure. But that's fine. It's no big deal. And then in the digital kit, there is a little pocket, a black and white striped pocket. So I printed that out. I printed out a little bit of pattern paper to go behind the pocket. And then I also printed the number 11 that I recolored with the lighter orange in this pattern paper. I also printed out a journal card so that I can write out my journaling. I borrowed that little mint green, slightly teal color so that that would be carried into this side of the layout. And then I printed out my photos. It's a very simple lunch date at a pizza place called The Loop. And so I've got those photos printed, and that's basically what I'm gonna do. I have a couple of little acrylic and wood embellishments I might add, and I've got the some of the die cuts and stickers from this collection that I've already had printed in my stash. I also have the numbers that I've been pulling from. I might change my mind about the number. I might just leave it just like it is, but I have choices. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started on my process. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, so I went ahead and cut everything apart off camera, and I'm just finishing up here with the background paper, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere that down to the back of day 10 and punch that and have that ready. And so the nice thing, of course, about having this already planned out in Photoshop means that all I have to do is cut it out and put it back together, and then add whatever embellishments I want to add to it after the fact. And I already have printed out a bunch of the stickers and the Ellies from this kit, so I already have those ready to go. And here's this digital pocket, and so this was something that I had never done before. Sometimes some designers will put a digital pocket in their collection, and so I printed it out just the way it was, except that I left a bit of a border around it when I cut it out. And then I cut the bottom corners at an angle so that they could fold in. And that makes for a really quick, simple pocket there. Did you see how I almost glued it down to the background paper? I caught it though. And so just a reminder, use repositionable adhesive, because it will save you. And so I am liking the little 11 circle that I printed out. So I am going to keep that. And then I'm just going through some of the embellishments here and pulling out some that I think I might use. And what I'm liking here, I'm liking the way some of the black elements, some of the black acrylic pieces pop against this background. And I'm liking that white spider web is really cute. I'm going to pull out some of the white stars in this collection, and the little, for the acrylic pieces, I'm liking that turquoise or teal pumpkin and the bats and the little ghosties. They're really cute. Most of the acrylic pieces that you see and the wood pieces are from Color Cast Designs. They do always sell out, but you may be able to find some of those Halloween pieces still on their website. So definitely love purchasing from Color Cast Designs and using their acrylic pieces on these layouts. So once I pulled out some of the things that I thought I would use, I took everything off because it was cluttered and kind of confusing me. And so I knew I wanted to add the little black cat to the number, and then I also had the little tiny teal circle with the OCT in it. So I added that and then added that little white ghost, and that makes the top of that pocket perfect to me. I moved the little spider web up to the top, and then I noticed how the white star helps the little black bats pop against the black background paper. So I'm going to do that with both of them. You'll see me do that with the other one here in a moment. And then I wanted to add this little pink house. I love this little pink house. And so I put that at the bottom with the October Daily banner. That is so cute. Just to reference the album itself. In the album, it feels a bit meta. And then another orange pumpkin. That orange is a little bit more yellow than the orange of the pattern paper, but there is a great yellow and a couple of great yellows in this kit. The color palette in this kit is so broad. There are quite a few different shades of different colors included, so you can pull almost anything in with a palette like that. I love it. It always makes me have a whole lot more fun. And so then I have this little journaling card. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp some lines using my trusty old Becky Higgins line stamp. Look at this thing, you guys. It still exists and I still use it. And then one thing that I'm noticing is that I don't know if I printed today's batch on a different type of paper than what I printed the letterboard side of the page on, but you can see that the black of the border on the right hand side of the layout doesn't quite match the background paper. And I'm noticing that. I'm sort of paying attention to it and debating about whether I want to reprint it. And the answer is that I did go ahead and reprint it and adhere it down new. So you'll be able to see that in the detail photos. And that made me feel so much better about this layout overall. So thank you so much for following along with my process. I hope that you're inspired by this album project. And I'll see you back here again soon. Bye-bye.